In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for budget tracking. Whether you're an individual trying to keep a closer eye on your finances or a finance manager looking to streamline your team's budgeting process, this tutorial will walk you through setting up an Airtable base that's tailored to your unique needs. First things first, let's start by creating a new base specifically for your budget tracking. Go ahead and open Airtable. And if you aren't already there, navigate to your workspace. Here, we'll create a new base and give it a name that will make it easily identifiable. Let's call it Budget Tracker. This base will become your central hub for all things related to tracking expenses and monitoring income, perfect for keeping everything organized and in one place. Now let's outline the main goal of our budget tracker. The primary objectives are to track expenses and monitor income. By having a clear understanding of these two components, you can establish where your money is going and how it's flowing in, allowing for more informed financial decisions. Within this setup, we will also aim for monthly reporting. Having this regular check-in ensures you're consistently aware of how your finances are performing throughout the year. It's important to think about who will be utilizing this base regularly. Typically, the main users of our budget tracker will include finance managers and individual contributors. Finance managers will want an overview of the entire budget, having the ability to dive deep into each detail, while individual contributors need to have access relevant to their roles, keeping their inputs up to date without being overwhelmed by too much information. With our foundational structure in place, you're ready to begin customizing your Airtable base. You can create tables within your base for different aspects of your budget. For example, you might have one table for expenses, another for income, and possibly a third for recurring payments or savings goals. Each table can be as complex or simple as you need, accommodating fields such as transaction date, amount, category, and perhaps even a note section for additional context. By categorizing your expenses, you will see patterns emerge over time, highlighting opportunities to cut costs or adjust spending habits. Meanwhile, monitoring income will allow you to validate that everything you are bringing in is accounted for, including irregular earnings like bonuses or freelance work. Remember, Airtable is versatile and visually intuitive. You can integrate various views like calendars or galleries to visualize data in a way that makes most sense for you and your team. Plus, you have the ability for collaboration, which means you can invite your team members to contribute their input in real time, enhancing team accountability and ensuring everyone's on the same page. By following these steps, you've now set the stage for efficient budget tracking using Airtable. I hope this guide helps you streamline your finances, making your budgeting process not just easier, but insightful and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!